What are you making today, Nonna?
I'm making eggplant rollatini.
Ah, okay.
Just to pour off.
You never cut yourself cutting like that? It looks dangerous.
It's not.
How long you been cutting like that?
Whole time.
Your whole life?
Now look this. You learn this. You do this for your wife.
Okay.
Look.
Slice it thin, right?
You thin.
Mm-hmm.
Better va così. Put a little salt now.
Look at this technique.
Scrambled eggs. I dip. The dip is on the breadcrumb.
So like the chicken cutlet.
Yeah.
You tap it like a baby, right? You burp the baby.
Look at the bread. See?
Remember you used to burp me when I was a baby?
Mm-hmm. Remember how many times I changed your diaper?
I don't remember, but I know you did.
It's all done.
Ready
Yeah.
for the oven?
No, in the oven. Fry first.
All right. Wow. Beautiful. Perfection. The frying part's done. Now we got to make the inside.
I put the ricotta.
So just enough ricotta. How do you know how much to put?
I know.
All right, I'm sorry.
Mozzarella.
Mozzarella now. Some eggs.
When I break the eggs, I'm always put them in another dish.
Make sure they're good. Okay, everything in. You mix. Put the stuffing inside.
You think you're gonna learn?
I think so.
Easy.
What are you doing?
Rollatini. Rolling up.
Put the toothpick. All right.
Put too much in.
It's okay. It's good. Who taught you how to make this one, Nonna?
Mom, but this stuff we don't have that time. When I was 15, I can't cook. I have to throw away a lot of stuff. Nobody eat.
Oh, no. Don't tell your fans. You got millions of people. They'll come eat. You want them to come here?
Come over. We eat.
All right.
I cook it. Put a sauce, look.
Some sauce on the top. Cover it with some love. Look at that. Now, how long we got to wait?
Well, I got to boil a little bit.
Okay. It's all done, Nonna, right?
Yes.
Beautiful. Look at that color.
I clean the table and we're going to eat.
All right. Thank
You got to
you.
go get the bread. And
I will.